Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to use Houzz app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. To know how to use Houzz, first thing you need to download the app, or you can also visit the website. Download the Houzz app from App Store, or if you are an Android you can simply download it from your Play Store. To go from website, you can visit the website like Houzz website for access on desktop device. So after that, after clicking on this Houzz app, first to use this app, first thing you need to make sure that you have created an account. So while browsing, the platform is free, and you need to just tap on the sign up to create an account using your email address and Google or Facebook account. So that's how you can just create an account. And after that, you need to just create and use your idea book, like save ideas. As you have browsed, tap the heart icon on photos or products you like to save them to your personal idea book. You have to organize your ideas, and you can organize saved photos into albums or categories, like example dream kitchen, bathroom renovation. So you can also add notes to each image to keep track of what you like about it. And to find the product, you can just hire the contractors or designers. If you are ready to begin a project, use Houzz to find local professionals such as contractors, interior designers, architects, or landscapers. You can just search by area specialty. Example, general contractors, electrician, and plumbers. Like read reviews, check photos of their past works, and contact them directly via the app or the website. And get quotes. You can request quotes or schedule consultation with professional through the app. And you can post your project and get advice, like post photos. Once you have project in mind, example a renovation or design, you can upload photos of a space and describe your project. Ask the Houzz community. You can ask questions or get advice from the Houzz community or professional to help with designs or renovation design and decisions. And after that, you need to just read the articles and guides. Like Houzz has a wide variety of experts articles, how to use guide, how to guides, and blogs related to home improvement, interior designs, remodeling tips, and product recommendation. You can use the articles to get more in-depth advice and ideas for your project. You can now, after that, you just use the augmented reality like AR features. It means you can just view the products in your space. Some products of Houzz offers an AR features. This allows you to virtually place products like furniture or decor into your home to see how they would look in real life. And after that, you need to just tap on a product that supports AR and follow the instruction to see how it fits in your room. And you can also collaborate with others, like if you are working on a project with a partner or a professional, you can just share your idea book or specific image to collaborate and get feedback. So this is how you need to just explore Houzz stories, create a mood board, set a budget, use the project tools. That's how you can just use the Houzz. And Houzz is a great platform to gather ideas, solve for home products, and connect with professionals for any home improvement project. Whether you are planning a large scale renovation or simply looking for design inspiration, Houzz is a powerful tool to help you bring your vision to life. So let me know if you need further details or have any specific question about using Houzz in our comment section below. So that's how you can just use this app Houzz. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.